Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to be talking about our Ruvi. This is a new drink blend that we have. We have 4 of them, and we're going to explain a little bit about them. So
what this is, it's fruit and vegetables in a pouch. So real easy, simple, clean food that is convenient, and in 25 seconds you can have fruit and vegetable mix.
And there's a total of 26 different fruits and vegetables in all 4 of these drinks. And there's 4 servings of fruits and vegetables per drink. So in our 4 drinks...
And they're half-cup servings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is Boost. It's for your immune system and skin. It's got banana, carrot, mango, peach, pineapple, butternut squash, kiwi, and orange in there.
And this one here is a cleanse, and it helps us to cleanse our body of impurities. And there's grape, Fiji apple, banana, zucchini, cucumber, Granny Smith apples, spinach, and kale.
That one's really good. This one's Focus, which is energy for your brain. In here, there's blueberry, grape, blackberry, banana, strawberry, broccoli, zucchini, spinach, acai berry, maki berries.
And then this one here focuses on the heart, and it's called Active. And the ingredients in here is Fiji apples, tart cherry, carrot, raspberry, butternut squash, strawberries, beets, and tomatoes. So as you can see, there is quite a few fruit and vegetables. Like Kathy said, 26 different fruit and vegetables, which is in 4 days, if you take one a day, it's really kind of unheard of. We don't eat that many fruit and vegetables or different kinds of fruit and vegetables.
Now these are freeze-dried. So it's freeze-dried and then blended down into a powder, and all the fibers intact. So nothing is removed, no added fillers, no sugars added. It's just the pure fruits and vegetables blended down into a powder. It is gluten-free, it's freeze-dried like I mentioned, GMO-free, vegan, and it has our Nutrilock as well. And that is a 40-step process to ensure the highest quality, taste, and nutrition are in our food.
So we're just going to show you how easy it is. So we're just going to mix one up, and you can do this in the car, you can do this anywhere, really. It's this easy, and really it's quite convenient for every age group. So from retired people to young babies, this is great because really it's only fruit and vegetables. So you just fill the Ruvi bottle to almost the top of that rubber, and then you just place your product in. Okay, we'll just get rid of that. And then we just shake it. You can smell the vegetables and fruit. And we make sure the lid is on. And then I just shake it up like this just to get it, the powder doesn't sit in the lid. And just shake it up. And look at the vibrance of that color. That is amazing.
And that's all it is. You just do that, and then you drink it, and you have 4 servings of the 10 that we're supposed to have in the day.
Yeah.
So we have a few questions that people ask, some most commonly asked questions. And so we'll just go over a few of these questions with you guys.
Yeah.
So Ruvi is, of course, just fruits and vegetable blends into a drink.
And the shelf life on this, we've been asked, currently it's 6 months shelf life. But again, it's a brand new product, so they'll be testing that a little bit more.
How do you purchase Ruvi? We have our websites below so that you could just click on that and find the different options that you have. We've got 8 packs, we have 32 packs, so the month supply, that is the cheapest deal. So that's definitely something you could see in our websites below.
And the pricing will be there as well, so you can see how that works. Now, does the Ruvi have fillers or flow agents in there? And these do not have any caking agents added. Like I said, like Kathy and I were explaining, the ingredients that are in the pouch are in the back. And we never mentioned any of those ingredients.
And it's vegan, it's no added sugars, no added fillers, like we said. So it is very just clean, pure product.
And how many can you take? That is a question that many people ask. You will get 8 to 10 servings if you take 2 a day. And really, the food guide states that we should have at least 8 to 10 servings. So you can have 1. They've tested it at 1, but you can actually have 2 if you'd like per day. So it's really up to you.
I actually mixed 3 just because I wanted to blend some flavors together, and I wasn't hungry all day, so I have to say that filled me up. So, and how long does it take to get your Ruvi orders? It can take a week to 2 weeks to get right to your door. It ships right to your door or to your postal box, wherever you get your mail.
And on that note, Kathy, too, when you do take the Ruvi, you're pretty full, and so to eat a meal on top of that is probably not a good thing. So just actually take it in between as a kind of a snack. So that's
One
great.
thing that I did hear a nutritionist say, that if you have some crackers or something that you eat with it, it actually makes the saliva activate and helps you digest food properly when you're drinking a smoothie of that kind. So it's good to actually have some crackers or a little something on the side with it.
Nice. Okay, everyone's gonna get different results, and they can happen within 1 to 2 weeks of taking the Ruvi. Just an example of that is there was a elderly man that health wasn't very good. He started taking the Ruvi. Within a week, he noticed some significant differences in his health and energy levels, and so he said, I gotta get this. And so once you get on it, you realize when you don't have it, and that I think is what I notice the most, is when I don't take it, I notice I need to take it.
And there's lots of great results that people are starting to see. People's skin are clearing up. There's some people losing weight, having more energy in the day. When you feel like you just need a nap halfway through the day, you have a lot more energy, sleeping better. It's kind of amazing some of the results that are coming in that we're noticing. So everybody notices something different, but usually within a week to 2 weeks, you start seeing something happen with your body.
And like we said earlier too, it's good for all ages, from babies to very elderly people that are having trouble absorbing all of their nutrition and eating their food. And so it really is good for everybody.
That answered the next question. So there you go. I don't think Ruvi is good for me because it's high in keto count. So there is a lot of people who are on the keto diet, which is great. But one thing with this is it does have mixed fruits and vegetables. And I think with keto, you do not have as much fruit because of the carb.
You want your
carb
carbs
count
to be low.
So the things with berries, of course, I know you guys can have berries and things like that. So these might not be an option for you if you're doing keto because it does have all the variety of fruits and vegetables.
The last question, do the drinks have all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs? It does, but you would have to take vitamin D and also vitamin B12, which we would get out of our meats. So
vitamin D comes from the sun, and that doesn't come in
that is just, especially at this time of the year.
Those are the only two. But other than that, it has all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. I actually like taking my fruits and vegetables instead of vitamins, vitamin supplement, because my body knows how to absorb it by real food. So that's all we take, and it's been great.
We love the Ruvi, and it's been an awesome product. It was launched just a few months ago, and it's becoming very popular and well liked. So we're quite excited. So if you like that, give it a thumbs up.
And we will be doing more videos of different ways of using Ruvi, so stay tuned for those. Those will be coming up.
And if you haven't subscribed, do that, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be informed when we post a new video. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.